All right, Wash World, we got a story and a half on a raised foundation we're going to do out here in Wash World. Anyway, stay tuned for this one, and I'll probably do a voiceover on this one. Anyway, hope you enjoy.
What's up, Wash World? Here we are on the next little project. One-story home on a raised foundation, going all the way around with obviously a soft wash. This side isn't too bad. There's a little green around that basketball hoop there. Front, it doesn't look bad at all right here, but it's full of organic debris and cobwebs, pollen and such that I'll show you in some before pics here at the end. And want to pay close attention to this porch because it was pretty nasty too, with the same kind of buildup, and also with all those windows and lights right there, the frogs like to hang out at night and catch them skeeters and flies. So it's pretty nasty up in there. And you also got to pay close attention to those transom windows, the windows above the door, because there's actually a shelf area up there that a lot of debris and other stuff can sit on up there. So you want to make sure you pay close attention to that, and wash behind the shutters when you can too, because all kinds of mud daubers and little critters live back there that you can get washed out. And if you don't wash it out now, it may kind of fall out later on and make the job not look so good when they come home a couple hours later. So watch out for that, and go ahead and give it a good rinse while you're up there. I'm gonna go around here to the side. Again, this front, as far as mold and mildew, wasn't bad, but those screens were getting kind of bad, so I paid close attention to them. But did obviously go across the whole thing. And we're gonna pick up the camera here in just a second, move you over to the far side. That was really bad. A lot of mold, mildew, and everything else over there, and we're gonna watch that melt away. And while we're doing that, I'll let you know again, my mix runs between 1%, maybe a 1.4, somewhere around there on the downstream, and also breaks down to be about the same on the math when batch mixing with a 12 volt. But I'm sitting here today doing a voiceover on this video with an injured back, because job that I was doing before this, I was yanking around a 35-foot ladder and pulled a muscle pretty damn good. So y'all pay close attention to what you're doing when you're yanking stuff around, because it can set you up for a few days if you're not careful. And also pay attention on windy days. I always have to pay attention to it around here because it's rivers and ocean, so there's always a breeze. But make sure your mist isn't landing on any sensitive plants like their annuals or perennials, the flowers and stuff. You see a lot of blowback like you see right there. Look around, maybe rinse the tender plants there a little extra to make sure you don't burn them up. There's your tip of the day. You can only get this far with the hose. I had to wrap around the other side to get everything to the left of that window, but I'll show you that in just a minute. We're going to go to the back porch here real quick. Blast off these windows. There was a lot of mildew and stuff behind those two shrubs on either side of the porch. Pay attention to behind plants like that. If you'll see this hammock that's below me down there, it was nasty too, which they get the same buildup. I sprayed that thing and it came out amazing. It looked brand new, so I'm actually going to do that as an individual service and see where it goes. If I get one, I get one. If I don't, it's no big deal. But people love these hammocks around here. Almost everyone has one on the coast, and I'm going to see if I can't offer a cleaning service for them. There I am using their picnic table to angle myself over there to get a little bit before I walk around underneath and get it. Here we are, finishing off that last little bit on that side. You can see how nasty it is, but I had to use the 12 volt because I broke the pull cord on my pressure washer and didn't feel like hooking it back up and fixing it there, so I just finished this off and then rinsed. Anyway, that's about it. We're going to leave you here, and I'm going to leave you with some parting words on the video, and see you next time.
All right, Wash World, I hope you enjoyed that one. Actually, on that raised foundation, they have a beautiful view there of the river that's way out there, and then the creek that's right here on the other side of these cattails that takes them out there. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.